Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to check the size of your mailbox in Microsoft Outlook. This is incredibly useful when you need to monitor your storage usage or when you're approaching your mailbox limit and need to free up some space. Let's jump right into it. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account to load in your emails. Make sure you give it a moment to fully load all your messages and folders, especially if you have a large mailbox. This initial loading is important because Outlook needs to sync with the server to calculate the accurate size of your mailbox. Once your email has been loaded, we're ready to check the size of your mailbox in Microsoft Outlook. Navigate to your File menu located on the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. This is typically in the top left corner alongside other tabs like Home, Send or Receive, and Folder. Go ahead and click on the File tab to open up a new screen with various account and mailbox options. Once the File menu has opened, you'll land directly on the Info tab, which is exactly where we need to be. This Info section is your central hub for all account-related settings and mailbox management tools. From here, you'll directly see the Mailbox Settings section, and right under it, you'll see your mailbox size displayed clearly. This shows you exactly how much storage you're currently using out of your total available space. Now, if you want to explore more options for managing your mailbox, click on the Tools drop-down. You'll see several ways of managing your mailbox in Microsoft Outlook, including cleanup tools, archiving options, and settings to help you reduce your mailbox size if needed. These tools are particularly handy when you're running low on storage and need to make some space quickly. And there you have it. You've now located your mailbox size in Microsoft Outlook and discovered additional tools to help you manage your storage effectively. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.